Hello everyone! Today, I will be sharing with you another platform that you can use inside your class. This is called StoryboardThat. So, as you can see here, in the front of the website, it is a digital storytelling website or platform which can make visual communication more easier and fun. So, let's now head to the main website or the main page. Okay, so storyboard.com is a website that lets students create storyboards for learning or fun. Students can fill panels with images from an image bank before dragging and dropping characters and props into the scenes. From there, they'll add text to dialogue bubbles or anywhere they please. So as you can see here, there are different settings or different places that students can choose from in creating their own storyboard. Why did I choose this platform? So first of all, we can use this platform in creating storyboards if we want our students to create documentaries or short video or stories that is related to social studies or araling panlipunan. Particularly in grade 10, which is contemporary issues, there are outputs in the curriculum guide that says that students need to produce documentaries about different societal issues. So, before approving or before submitting their final documentary, you may ask your students to create a storyboard so that you'll have an idea or glimpse as a teacher on how they will present their story or their documentary. So as you can see here, there are different places such as town, entertainment, home, indoor and outdoor, school, athletics, transportation, work, classical homes, of course historical. There are also historical places here in the different from the different parts of the world. There are castles, there are houses, there are different kinds of house, different historical places from different countries, different landmarks from different countries, such as this one, the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China, and then the facade of the White House. Okay, so different places that your students can choose from. And then next, let's now proceed to... Okay, let me just remove first these places that I put. Let's now proceed to the characters. So there are lots of characters that you can choose from. You have a lot of options. We have a girl and a boy. We have a Muslim lady here, I assume. And then they are wearing different kinds of clothing that is culturally or religiously sensitive. So aside from this can serve as a storyboard in making documentaries or videos, you can also ask your students to create a story of comics about a certain issue or a certain event in history that took place, and you can test their creativity, or you can ask them to read or analyze a primary source and allow them to visualize or to put into pictures what they have understood from that primary source. So these is just those are just some of the things that you can do with storyboard.com. And you can also put here the characters in the places that we have put a while ago. So let's try to put a character and let's see how it will look like. So let's choose this guy, or rather this girl. Let's put her here. And here you can also see that you can change the character's skin color, the hair, the eyes, the color of eyes, the makeup, the color of shirt, and pants. And you can also rotate, you can also enlarge, and you can also put speech balloons so that you can you can present that they are speaking in the storyboard. You can also put shapes and also infographics. So in this platform, you can create different infographics, or you can also create publication materials that can be related to different social science disciplines. So again, this is StoryboardThat, a website where you can create storyboards for learning or fun.